Now let us move on to the next verb. The next verb we are going to learn is pouvoir. Pouvoir. Okay, it is similar to vouloir. It means can or to be able. Can or to be able. Pouvoir. It's pronounced as pouvoir. So shall we see the conjugation for this verb? So the verb here is pouvoir. It means can or to be able. For je, it is conjugated as peux. Je peux. It means I can. Je peux. For tu also it is tu peux. It means you can. Similar to the vouloir conjugation, peu, it is pronounced as peu. The X here is silent. Do you remember the conjugation for vouloir? It was je veux, V-E-U-X. There also the X was silent. It was pronounced as v. Similarly, for je it is je peux, I can. For tu it is tu peux, you can. For il, the pronunciation is the same. It is il peut, but the spelling is, it ends with te, peu. It means he can. He can. Il peut. For elle, it is elle peut. It means she can. So, like I told you, it is similar to the vouloir verb. That is why I am telling both these verbs together. The conjugation is almost similar. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut. All these four words are pronounced the same. However, the spelling is different. I hope you are taking down your notes. Next, for nous. For nous, it is nous pouvons. Nous pouvons. It means we can. Nous pouvons. For vous, it is vous pouvez, which means you can. Vous pouvez, you can. For ils, it is ils peuvent. Ils peuvent. It means they can. For elles, it is elles peuvent. This also means they can. So, this is the conjugation for the verb pouvoir. It means can or to be able. As I told you, the conjugation for pouvoir is similar to vouloir conjugation, and it is as follows. Je peux, tu peux, you can. Il peut, he can. Elle peut, she can. For nous, it is nous pouvons, we can. For vous, it is vous pouvez, you can. For ils, it is ils peuvent, they can. For elles, it is elles peuvent, they can. So, I hope you understood the conjugation of the verbs vouloir and pouvoir. Vouloir means to want and pouvoir means can or to be able.